So today we're going to be talking about the 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma seat covers today. So as you guys know, the leather interiors on the Tacomas were a bit hard to find, and quite honestly the cloth seats aren't it. I don't like the two-tone at all. So originally I found a set of faux leather seat covers off of Amazon, and I've been running those in the truck for a while. However, they're showing major wear and tear. They don't fit properly, and they just don't look clean at all. So Extreme Online Store Custom Interiors sent me a set of their black leather seat covers, and we're going to go ahead and install those today and compare those. Alrighty, so first we're going to start with the headrests. So this is the old one. As you can see, it looks a bit ugly right here. It's all just kind of open there. They're pretty similar. This one has more of a fabric backing, whereas this one is full leather all the way around. So we're going to go ahead and take this off, and we're going to show the difference. Alrighty, so I went ahead and knocked out all of the headrests here. Overall, they fit a lot better than the other ones. So the other ones had that mesh on the back that made it easier to install. However, it slid around and there was a bunch of overhang down here. And this one also has a strap to hold it. This thing, it was a little bit harder to install, but it's not going anywhere. It's a lot more stable. It doesn't have a lot of overhang, so it'll fit just like OEM leather. So I went ahead and installed the one on the single rear seat. As you can see here, this is pretty sturdy. It holds it a lot tighter compared to this one. You can pretty much pull it out, and there's a lot of wiggle room there. It'll move around compared to this one. Alright, so y'all can tell that the new one is right here compared to the old one right here. So we went ahead and got half of this bench seat done back here, and we're going to go ahead and do the rest. So as y'all can see, I went ahead and got the entire rear bench seat done. The fitment is looking great down there. You can almost hardly tell that it's even a cover. It almost looks like OEM leather. Other than that, it looks great compared to these ones. They look cheap. They look destroyed already. So we're going to go ahead and knock out these fronts. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and compare a few points on the new ones versus the old ones. So the old ones, they had 2 points of contact right here. They had that same foam issue that we had in the back. It's just not comfortable at all. On this one, we've got 3 points of contact from the front. And what this one is lacking is 2 points of contact from the back. This one does have Velcro. However, it does not work too well, honestly. Up top, this one has poorly cut holes for the headrest mounts compared to this one. Very neat, and it looks great. Alrighty, so now we're going to go ahead and compare the bottoms of the front seat like we did with the tops. So you can see this has 2 points of contact right here. You can see there's a little bit of stretch marks from only 2 points of contact pulling, and then this being left out, so it's dragging out this way. You can see on this one, this is the one that had the major wear and tear. This completely failed, rips everywhere. It's in really poor condition after just 1.5 years of use. You're gonna have the same material issues on the bottom here. It's uncomfortable. It's not adding much padding at all. They do have 2 points of contact on the fronts of it as well, so you're gonna have 4 points of contact total. This one, okay, so we're gonna go ahead and look at the 3 points of contact here. So 1, 2, 3, so that you're not gonna have that stretching issue. And then you're also gonna have one that goes under to hold it right here. And then you're gonna have the 2 points of contact at the front as well. So something that was lacking on this one is, it's kind of hard to tell, but you can see right here, this has a special indent so that it actually fits properly into the trim, so that it looks very clean. So as you guys can see, the fitment right along here is way better compared to the old ones. So on the passenger side, I remember showing you guys how this did not tuck in at all. You tucked it in and it would just come right out. Right now, you can see it tucks in all the way around for a super clean OEM style look. These just look absolutely amazing in this truck. They look just like OEM leather. They are as comfortable as OEM leather, I'd say, and you don't have to deal with that ugly two-tone cloth anymore. I would highly recommend picking up a set of these for yourself. I'm going to go ahead and link them in the description. If you got any questions about it, feel free to leave them in the comments, and make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.